Starting a new website can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. We've made a video series that organizes your website building process into several manageable steps. First, consider what kind of website you'd like to make. What will you add to your site? Take a look at some other websites you admire for inspiration. Make a note of how your favorite sites use spacing, fonts, image placement, and colors to draw visitors in. You can also visit Squarespace.com to view dozens of professionally made websites to get some ideas flowing. Most sites consist of images, videos, text, and call to action items like links or buttons. A good first step is to organize your site's images. Your images should be 2,500 pixels wide and no larger than 500 kilobytes in file size. From there, organize your images into folders on your computer based on where they'll appear on your site. Once you have your assets organized, next comes the fun part. You can start a 14-day trial and either choose a template or have Blueprint AI design a great template for you based on your goals, content, and site features. Once your trial site is made, you can start learning the platform and tools. You can upload images, add text, and upload videos for your site to display. With Fluid Engine, you can layer blocks and use other visual effects to add depth to your site. Your site will be set to private during your trial, so you can perfect your design and content first. Contact our support team via the link in the description below if you need some more time once your trial period is up. Or you can upgrade to a paid subscription and share your work with the world. You can hire a Squarespace expert to help you with your site's design via Squarespace Marketplace. These experts are among the most experienced and active members of our community of professional users called Circle. You can work one-on-one with these experts to create a site, optimize an existing site, or set up your online store and more. Sign up to find an expert at squarespace.com/designer. To learn more about your first steps with Squarespace, visit the links in the description below. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.